What's up, Llama Squad?
What's up?
Today we are going to go kayaking.
What are you going to show us to do, Link, today?
Well, what I'm going to show you is how to put these together.
Okay, Jack, can you hold that one in for him?
Oh, hold that one for me. Yeah.
So you're looking for notches to go together. There you go. And push that down. And then turn it. Voila! We've got a paddle. Here are our kayaks. Getting ready to go on the adventure.
And I want to check out how the water is. I already checked it out, but it's cold.
Kids checked out the water. They said it's cold.
But it feels really refreshing. For
Lincoln's practicing his paddling.
It's around like 70 degrees.
And if you're wearing sandals like me, that'll be very hard to walk in it.
Hey, get your pants out of the water.
Let's enjoy time on the kayaks with Pinchot.
All right, so Lincoln's paddling this out. Disco Llama's gonna knock Mama Llama out. Link, what's our names?
The pink lake monsters.
I thought we were the pink dragons.
Pink lake monsters.
All right,
The
let's go.
turtles are ahead of us! Paddle, Mom! Hey guys, we're checking out the woods from our kayaks. And look how far we're from the dock. We're pretty far. For watching Disco Llama, remember to like and subscribe, and remember to keep on dancing.
Yeah, but don't dance now because I don't want you to rock the boat.
Yeah, don't dance now.
Yeah, don't rock the boat.